Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom on your Mac operating system. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Zoom. And the first link which will appear here will be from zoom.us. I'm going to click on this link. So I'm going to click on this option which says Zoom Desktop Client. So once you see a Zoom Desktop Client here, so if you are using macOS with Intel chip, you can click on the download button here. M1 or M2, you can click on this link. This PKG file is downloaded. I'm going to click on this file and then click on next. I'm going to click on next here. I will provide that password and then click on install software. The Zoom is installed on my Mac operating system. I'm going to leave it as checked. Click on done here and close this Zoom application. And now I can go to the Launchpad